ICICI Prudential manages more than 1,80,000 crores. Right, this is the debt money we manage, out of which 98% of those are above AA minus and above. We have always been very cautious. Last 5 years, whenever I have talked to you, I only talked about SLR, safety, liquidity, and then return. We have always given, very proudly, we say that we have always given 1 to 1.5% lower return. Why do we say that? Because lower return means lower risk. Higher returns means higher risk. This is what we have consistently said, that in India incremental risk leads to incremental return. That is the only way to get incremental return. Otherwise you can't get incremental return. So we have never gone after return. So today our portfolio quality is quite intact. In the last 1.5 years you have seen there has not been a single case where ICICI Prudential has been part of any of the debt which have been downgraded to D. Right, so that has been our track record, that last 22 years there has not been a single case where ICICI Prudential had a delay in receiving the amount which they have given in the market. So that is what we are talking about as a track record. I am also very clear in saying that we have not taken concentration risk, neither on the asset side nor on the liability side. Both is very important. So in asset side, in our credit risk fund, there are 80 different investments, and on the liability side also there are 80,000 separate portfolios that we have got in our liability side. Almost 75,000 unique investors. So that's the kind of diversification we have taken on the asset side as well as on the liability side. There is no concentration of distributor, there is no concentration of investor, and there is no concentration on geographical basis. It is spread all across India. So when we come down to our credit risk fund, 70% of the credit risk fund is in the AA minus and above. Right, that's a quality that we have got even in our credit risk fund. So we have always stuck to quality. There is only one concentration in credit risk fund, that is ICICI Prudential itself. We have invested 340 crores in our credit risk fund. That's a confidence. We means ICICI Prudential AMC. On top of that, if you would have seen our January 31st declaration, 42 crores has been invested by employees of ICICI Prudential in our ICICI Prudential credit risk fund. So that's a confidence that we have put on our fund. Both our company has invested as well as we as individuals have also invested. The top management of this company is remaining invested in our credit risk fund. So that's where we are. We are strong on the quality part and we are strong on the liquidity part. It never happened with ICICI Prudential AMC that if you ask for money and I will not give you money. Right, so at any point of time we are liquid, and you should have that comfort that ICICI Prudential, with its size of 1,86,000 crores, has got more than sufficient liquidity to take care of any redemptions that can take place. Not that I want you to redeem, I don't want you to pay tax when it is not required. Complete 3 years in which you can remain invested. This is the only country that we operate in. So for us, everything is this country, and we are focused on how to do business well in this country. Stay safe and remain invested. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.